Hello, I'm Tavleen Kaur and welcome to the another episode of The Media Mic at Ink and Pixel. आज हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं Dr. Anish Gupta, who is currently working as Director Academics at CGC Mohali. He has more than 22 years of experience in academics and industry. So let us commence our today's episode. Hello, sir.
Hello.
I'm Tavleen Kaur and welcome to our podcast.
Thank you, Tavleen. I'm Dr. Anish Gupta, Director Academics.
कैसे हो सर आप?
All good.
सो एज अ DO ऑफ CGC, कैंपस के एजुकेशन सिस्टम को लेके आपका क्या विजन रहता है?
The first and the foremost thing is that the industry is evolving now. So when we talk about an education system, it always work as a bridge between the education institute and the industry. So our basic concept and the motto in CGC is that we should fill this gap. Our students should be industry ready. There should be 360-degree enhancement in the skill set of the students. Because when we talk about the success not only comes with the book, but it comes with the passion. So if we kill the passion of the student, he will not be able to be successful. So we try to have our education system in CGC in such a manner that students should love to come to the campus. They should complete their passion to achieve the success.
सर, एक बच्चे के इंटेलेक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट के लिए क्लासरूम बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है. सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ आइडियल क्लासरूम?
आइडियल क्लासरूम की डेफिनेशन ये है जिसमें 100% स्टूडेंट्स क्लास के अंदर आए. दे लव टू लिसन टू द टीचर, दे लव टू लर्न, एंड द टीचर शुड बी सो मच एंगेज व्हाइल टेकिंग द क्लास दैट ही शुड नॉट टेक द क्लास बाय यूजिंग देयर ब्रेन. द क्लासरूम डिलीवरी शुड बी बाय हार्ट.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम अटेंडेंस पे ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं, हमें अटेंशन पे ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं करना चाहिए.
आई एग्री. अटेंडेंस पे हम फोकस नहीं करते, लेकिन एक ट्रुथ ऑफ द लाइफ इज कि जब तक आप कहीं पर जाएंगे नहीं, आपकी अटेंडेंस नहीं होगी, अटेंशन भी नहीं होगा. सो दीज अटेंशन एंड अटेंडेंस बोथ आर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. इफ देयर इज अटेंशन देन देयर विल बी अटेंडेंस इन द क्लास, बट फॉर बीइंग एन अटेंशन फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट नीड्स टू बी इन द क्लास.
एग्जैक्टली सर. सर, आप इतने टाइम से एकेडमिक्स में रहे हो, कोविड-19 से पहले और उसके बाद स्टूडेंट बिहेवियर में ऐसा क्या चेंज आया है?
As the time changes, it is not because of the COVID, we can say that before COVID or after COVID. As the time changes, students are least sincere in terms of their education. What I feel so. Least sincere in the sense, आजकल डिस्ट्रैक्शन ज्यादा हो गया. जो कोविड है उसने आपके सोशल मीडिया को ज्यादा एक्टिव कर दिया है, उसने स्क्रीन टाइम इंक्रीज कर दिया है. As a reason, students are much more on the screen rather than in the physical classroom. And if you recently go, so I do not remember exact name, it is a good buddy, तो उसमें शांतनु है, he started a campaign in which he has started distributed the books.
Okay.
क्योंकि students are more on the screen rather than having a hard copy of the book. So the biggest challenge right now with the student is that they are much more interested on a screen rather than have a physical book or physical classroom. तो स्टूडेंट की जो सिंसियरिटी है वो अगर क्लासरूम में ज्यादा होगी तो उनके अपने पर्सनल एफर्ट्स इन द ग्रोथ ऑफ देयर नॉलेज एंड स्किल विल बी लीस्ट. तो दिस इज अ मेजर डिफरेंस. उनका स्क्रीन टाइम के लिए दे आर मच मोर इंटरेस्टेड रादर देन टू हैव अ क्लासरूम टीचिंग.
ई लर्निंग आ गया आज के टाइम पे, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि एक टाइम ऐसा आ सकता है कि बच्चे को स्कूल जाने की या कॉलेज जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी?
ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन सिस्टम की जब हम बात करते हैं तो ये अब रिग्रेस हो गया. से फॉर एन एग्जांपल, इफ वी गो 20 years बैक, देयर वाज न्यूज़पेपर जो आपके साथ इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करते थे. तो यू रीड इट एंड देयर आफ्टर यू इम्प्लीमेंट इट. देन न्यूज़पेपर स्टार्टेड कमिंग इन ऑनलाइन मोड. तो वो हमें न्यूज़पेपर बहुत सारे लोगों ने बंद कर दिया. उन्होंने ई न्यूज़पेपर के थ्रू दे आर एबल टू अचीव द नॉलेज. The same thing when we talk about the subjects. लोगों ने कंटेंट बना के YouTube पे भी डालना शुरू किया है. ई-लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स काफी आ गए. But still what I feel is कि if we go with an e-learning platform and as compared to the physical classroom is much better. Because the problem when you face or the topic when you are unable to understand, then and there is a teacher to solve the problem. So your execution time or your learning time is reduced. E-learning में क्या होगा कि when you are going for a e-learning process, basically if you feel or you are stuck on a particular topic, then again you will search on internet, again you will explore the best solution, and this will increase your execution time. So physical education is always good, Moreover, you can say that when we discuss the problem, it is very easy to find out the solution. अगर मैं अकेला ही exercise करता रहूंगा, I will never be able to achieve the success. Success is always achieved by a team, and it comes with the discussion. So when you are in a classroom, you are discussing with the teachers, you are getting the solution too early, better solution. Moreover, there are group of students. It is not so that every time teacher can give you the best solution. Sometimes students come with a better solution. So difference of opinion sometimes lead to the better solution. So e-learning, yes, it is important because it can be, you can say, explore 24 hours. It can be accessible from any place. But classroom teaching is always on a higher side as compared to e-learning as per my view.
सर आपने सक्सेस की बात करी, डिफाइन सक्सेस.
Satisfaction, number one, in which you are able to achieve your passion, the tasks which you love to do.
सर हमें सिखाया जाता है कि अंडर प्रेशर काम करो, रूल्स ओबे करो, 9 to 5 कॉलेज अटेंड करो, बट आपको नहीं लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं एक बच्चे में लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज हमें कैसे डेवलप करनी है, यहाँ पे हम लैग कर जाते हैं?
Somewhat I disagree to it.
Okay.
और उसके पीछे एक रीजन है. देखिए, either you go for your business or you go for a job. Punctuality, sincerity and dedication always plays a vital role. तो आपको अपनी लाइफ को जो होगा वो एक सिस्टमेटिक प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग ही ड्राइव करना पड़ेगा. इफ यू आर डूइंग बिजनेस, यू नीड टू वर्क मोर हार्ड. इफ यू आर डूइंग जॉब, देन यू हैव टू परफॉर्म मच बेटर वे. तो जब हम कॉलेज लाइफ की हम बात करते हैं, बेसिकली कॉलेज लाइफ इज द लास्ट प्लेटफॉर्म which will lead you either to your entrepreneurship or to your job work. So in that case, punctuality is important. There is different perspective between the teacher and the student. Student के हिसाब से we are bounding the students to come on time, to do the assignments on time, to be punctual in labs, to be much more sincere. This is student perception. But when we talk as a teacher, when we talk as an organization, we are making our student ready. You have to be in formals, well dressed, come on time, go by time, whatever the task is being given to you, complete it within the time duration. So this is basically we are making you industry ready.
Okay.
Now this is in terms of either you go for a job, you become an employee, or you become an employer. That is your call. But sincerity is definitely important.
आप डीए हो और आपके पास बहुत टाइप की ग्रीवेंसेस भी आती होंगी, तो आपकी मैनेजमेंट जो है वो स्टूडेंट सेंट्रिक है या मैनेजमेंट सेंट्रिक है या फिर टीचर सेंट्रिक है? कैसे आप डील करते हो इन सब से?
अगर मैं मैनेजमेंट की बात करता हूं तो इट इज नॉट सो कि वेदर आई एम अ स्टूडेंट सेंट्रिक, आई एम अ टीचर सेंट्रिक, आई एम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेंट्रिक. द कंडीशन इज कि वी शुड बी सपोर्ट द राइट क्वेश्चन or the right query which has been raised. So sometimes students are much more logical, then definitely we support students. Sometimes teachers are more logical, तो हम teachers को support करते हैं. And at the end of the day, when we talk about either the teacher-student relationship, teachers are always happy if the students are successful. So ultimately, we are here for the students. So our motto is only to have the skill set within the students so that they can be more successful. So if they are logically right, we are with the students.
Sir, any piece of advice you would like to give students or educators who are navigating the future of education in this ever-changing landscape?
Number one, that this is common to both students and the teacher, that they should keep patience, number one. They should be good listener. So both of them, because until you are not able to give the student right time to speak and to express their views, till then you will not be able, as a teacher, you will not be able to address the query or the concern of the students. If a teacher should listen to the student, should listen to the teacher also, because you can say that the biggest success of the teacher is that on a teacher's day, if the student is pass out and they wish a happy teacher's day. Because this is all what we feel, that we are here to contribute at least 1% or 2% in the success of our student. So this is the real happiness as a teacher. Moreover, that you can say we as a teacher truly believe that we should be as a learner, because not as a teacher. Because when we assume ourselves as a teacher, we feel that there is always a one-way delivery. and one way conversation which is not always positive. So we should be learner, because if there is a class of 60 students, each and every student a different mindset. So first, we as a teacher, we should understand what are the different mindset of the students studying in the class. Then we should make ourselves to their level, so that we are able to understand their problem, their mode of academic delivery, their mode of learning, and thereafter we should engage our class. So basically you can say that student and teacher should have a healthy relationship, in which teacher should understand the strength and the weakness of the student. Accordingly they can support them and make them perform. A student should understand that the teacher is always there for them. There is no personal benefits a teacher is taking. This is their success, is their happiness.
सर बट इस चीज़ को बैलेंस करने में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस होते हैं.
Challenges are everywhere.
हाउ यू डील विद इट?
There is the first thing that we should listen to the student. This is what my thought process is. We should talk logically with the students, because now the young generation is too much, you can say, skilled. They are much smart. So we should talk logical with them, and on your logics you should always take the input of the students. So when it is so and the student feel comfortable that yes, you are there to hear their grievances, then they will definitely listen to you.
सर बच्चों की भी मेंटल हेल्थ पे बहुत इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, क्योंकि उनमें इतना प्रेशर होता है सोसाइटी में फिट होने का.
उसके पीछे रीजन स्क्रीन टाइम है, आई विल से. जो टाइम के हिसाब से चेंज हुआ है वो ये हुआ कि इनिशियली दे वर डूइंग मच मोर स्पोर्ट्स, आउटडोर स्पोर्ट्स बेसिकली. सो आउटडोर स्पोर्ट्स गिव यू द स्ट्रेंथ एंड दे बिल्ड अ टीम वर्क. आज की तारीख में जब स्क्रीन टाइम आ गया, ये OTT चैनल्स आ गए, बच्चे आर मच मोर एंगेज इनटू इट. एज अ रीजन दे आर नॉट एबल टू बिल्ड द फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ. मोर द टीम वर्क इज लैकिंग. So if you see the students within the campus, they are in a group of 2 or 3 only. But when we go 15 years back, so you will find a group of 15-20 students at a time, and they work as a team. So I will suggest students that they should go for an outdoor sports. It will build physical as well as mental strength. It increases your way of the thought process to work as a team. You can say the load sharing, or you can say the stress sharing always easy when you are with more number of friends.
So पता क्या होता है कि इस टाइम पे हर कोई बंदा जज कर रहा होता है आपको, और बच्चों को फियर ऑफ जजमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, जिस वजह से शायद वो खुल नहीं पाते बच्चों से. शायद ये रीज़न है.
I will say to the students that they should think logically. If they feel they are logically right, they should take an advice with their guardians, with their teachers, with their parents, and they should perform. ये जो जजमेंट का थॉट प्रोसेस है, हमारे अपने दिमाग में आना ही नहीं चाहिए, because it is our life. We have to perform. Everyone has got his own strength and own weakness, so I cannot compare myself with you or someone else. So I should act and work as per my strength and weakness. So judgment they should never take care of. But yes, they should be logically right.
बट एक प्रेशर रहता है ना कि मार्क्स का 100% मार्क्स चाहिए.
मार्क्स का प्रेशर नहीं, वो 100%. see, nobody can score 100% marks, or you can say all the students cannot score 100% marks. So what I will suggest is that they should know what is the minimum criteria of the marks they required. So say for an example, when we talk about if we want to become an entrepreneur, right? So sometimes I says that marks are important to have a good knowledge, but you can say it is inversely proportional to the knowledge. It is not necessary that if you are getting good marks you are more knowledgeable. And rather than going for 100% marks, they should, if I want to go for a job, in that case I should identify that which industry of mine needs, what is the minimum percentage they need. So if the minimum percentage criteria is 70%, then I should go for 75% at least, so that I am fit to the organizations when I am open for the job.
सर उसका क्या जो 75 नहीं ला पा रहा?
Skill set, that is important. Every time company, it is, you can say that not each and every company is asking for 70%. This is minimum, you can say generally 40 to 50% of each domain they are asking for, one who is looking for a higher package. But you can say when companies generally, when we talk about generally, they ask for 55 to 60% marks. So 60% each and every student can score. I truly believe if they are regular in the classes, if they are studying for 2 hours in a day, only 2 hours, not more than that is required. And that too sincerely, you can easily score.
बट सर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें जो बच्चा करके सीखता है शायद कॉलेज में थ्योरी पढ़ पढ़ के नहीं सीखेगा, या फिर हमें ये नहीं सिखाया जाता कि हमें थ्योरी पढ़नी तो है लेकिन उसको प्रैक्टिकली कैसे अप्लाई करना है.
Sometimes on this particular point, I do agree. It so happens sometimes. But again, I will say that until unless you are not theoretically strong, you will not be able to implement it practically. Theoretical knowledge is important, equally important. The first and the foremost thing required is the interaction with the faculty during the lab timings. We should not, as a student, I should not look for a shortcuts. As a faculty, I should not look for a shortcuts. So you need to be more demanding with the faculty कि सर हमने ये क्लास में पढ़ा था, how we are going to implement in the lab. This is equally important. And once you are demanding, so then faculty will be also out from the comfort zone. And in maximum cases, we found it very positive.
बट सर इंडिया में हमें 5 days 9 to 5 कॉलेज अटेंड करना होता है. इतने बिजी स्केड्यूल में कहीं ना कहीं बच्चा घर आते आते थक जाता है. वो एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए कैसे टाइम निकाले?
नहीं देखिए, सबसे पहले तो कॉलेज टाइमिंग 9:30 to 4:30 है. Number one.
Okay.
Number two, if we go with the credit system, तो credit is generally 23 or 24. तो यानी अगर मैं वीक में बात करता तो 22 to 23 क्लासेस लेक्चर्स ही लगते हैं हर बच्चे के लिए. तो अगर मेरे पास 5 डेज में 35 लेक्चर्स का स्लॉट है और 23 आवर्स का ही उसका एंगेजमेंट है, स्टिल वी लेफ्ट विद 12 लेक्चर्स. ये जो 12 लेक्चर्स होते हैं ये स्टूडेंट के लिए इसलिए फ्री रखे जाते हैं विद इन द कैंपस टाइमिंग कि इफ दे वांट टू इंटरेक्ट विद अदर स्टूडेंट्स दे कैन इंटरेक्ट. अगर हम सीजीसी के कल्चर की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो यू विल फाइंड कि सीजीसी इज प्रोवाइडिंग अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट इन वेरियस डोमेन.
आई एग्री.
तो whether it is in terms of the sports or it is in terms of the culture activity or in terms of any creativity, we always support the students.
Yes.
तो the question is कि वो जो हमारे पास 12 to 13 hours within the week time हमें within the college timing हमें मिल रहा है, how we want to utilize it, that can be done.
Okay, sir.
Ownership we need to take it as a student.
Always, sir. Thank you for joining us. We'll catch you again. Thank you.
Thank you.